Hi, Tony DeWitt here, Missouri appellate attorney and a guy who tries to make the law make sense on YouTube. Well, I hope you're all having a great day today. I'm having a better day. I just finished doing my taxes and I don't owe Uncle Sam nearly as much as I thought I did. So today I have a couple of apologies to make and I want to talk about some of the things that you guys might want to see. So let's head on down to the beach and talk about that. So I have to apologize for the audio quality on the Viola Bowman video. It just didn't make the grade. I had tried this new lavalier microphone and I guess I had the gain set too high. I thought that I had it nailed down pretty good, but apparently I did not. And the audio came through in not nearly as good a shape as I thought it should. So I've made some changes. I've changed the mic gain and some other things like that. And I've also gone to a different microphone for recording voiceovers. I had been using a Yeti Nano, and the Yeti Nano is just not a good microphone. It sounds like you're talking from a cave. I went out and bought an actual Yeti microphone from Best Buy, and it seems to be a little bit better in terms of not sounding like I'm talking from the bottom of a 50-gallon oil drum. At any rate, I'm hoping that that's the case. Here's the new voiceover microphone. Hopefully it sounds a little bit better than the old one. I hope you guys will let me know what you think. So I've done a lot of different videos on here. I've talked about discrete issues in the law, like what goes into an appeal and things like that. And I've gotten some good feedback from folks on that. I did some case studies. I took some video from these recent trials and made some commentary on that. What I'm really looking to know from the folks who have subscribed here is, what do you want? What do you like best? What do you think I do best? And what would you like to see more of? Now, I realized I could do a poll and get pretty much the same information, but I figured that rather than put some faceless poll up there, I thought I would ask you guys in a video what it is that you would like to see me do. And I will do my best to do that. As you probably know, I have made a couple of videos for people who have asked specific questions and said, hey, could you do a video on this? And so naturally, when people ask, I will certainly try to do that, time permitting. I know it probably seems like the channel is all about me, but really it's all about you. I really want to make something that you're interested in. And so feel free to leave a comment to this video, tell me what that is, and I will try and accommodate what the majority wants to hear. And at the same time, if people have special requests, I'll try and get those done too. I would really like to know of the recent videos that I've done, which ones you think are the best. I know looking at the analytics, the sovereign citizen videos seem to do very well, but there are a ton of people out there doing sovereign citizen videos, and I don't know that I could do them any better. I just look at the legal issues, and sometimes that is good, sometimes that's bad. So anyway, any feedback you can give me would be greatly appreciated. As you all know, taxes are due on Monday. So if you have not e-filed at this point, you need to at least get something in the mail by midnight on Monday, April 17th. Now, this is not an endorsement and it's not a plug. I'm not sponsored by these folks, but I have used TurboTax every year for probably the last 10 years. I've never been audited. I've never had a problem. And the only problem I've had is paying the taxes, and don't we all have that problem? So if you're looking for a really easy way to do your taxes, even if you have things like investments and that sort of thing, it's a pretty good program. Now, a lot of people use accountants, and boy, I'm for that. If you can use an accountant and do that, you're way ahead of me. But I like to take personal control over everything. I am just that way. And so I do my own taxes. It's a personal foible, I guess. In the course of doing this channel, I have met so many really wonderful people. So many people who have been really great about giving me pointers and telling me things and saying, hey, your audio stinks. I mean, it kind of hurts your feelings to hear that, but thank goodness somebody has, has told you that, because I don't want to turn out videos that have bad audio. And I will do my best to prevent that in the future. I've found some software things that I can use to try and clean up some of the audio that I've already gotten shot. So thank you again for all of the contributions y'all have made. If you would leave a comment to this video, I would greatly appreciate it. You don't have to like it. You may not like it, for that matter. I did mention that awful word taxes, but uh, if you would, I would really appreciate a comment, just again to let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see more of, what you'd like me to forget that I've ever done. Thanks again for watching. If you have the opportunity today, go out there and do something nice for somebody. It's tax time and we all need good karma. So y'all have a great day, and we'll catch you down here at the beach next time.
If you like this video, here are a few others you might try, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a terrific day, guys.